As the election season ramps up, voters are scrambling to find reliable political data in real time. But it's growing more difficult as deepfakes get more complicated. Eben Brown has more.
The presidential election season is ramping up, and so are the warnings about deepfake technology being used to disrupt the campaign, leaving voters looking for a way to determine source reliability in real time. Alex Fink is the CEO of OtherWeb, which focuses on filtering out fake news. He says ranking sources often comes down to determining motivation.
Financial news outlets tend to do really well because they have an incentive not to get things wrong. Social media, on the other hand, the incentive is to get things to be as loud as possible.
And this issue isn't going away anytime soon. Academy Award nominee Scarlett Johansson was recently invited to testify before Congress about a deepfake of her voice being used by an AI company, underscoring the difficulty of keeping up with the technology and the danger posed by scammers as AI accelerates threats to the election.
The technology has suddenly taken a leap, and it's become so good that most people don't realize what it's capable of.
And with regulation to regulate deepfakes remaining stalled, some experts now say the best way for folks to protect themselves is through old-fashioned skepticism, with users urged to think critically about how well they know the source of the material and whether it seems too good to be true.
Start thinking of audio recordings and video as hearsay, as gossip, something that requires additional verification.
Lawmakers with the House AI Committee have already introduced legislation that would protect consumers from deepfakes, but there's no word on when it will come up for a vote. In Miami, Eben Brown, Fox News.